I'm just curious, are you spending money right now to buy video games? I don't know if you knew this, but there's several ways that you can get video games for free.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
I'm free.
How's it going, everybody? It is Vasterz, and I'm back with another video. This video is sponsored by nobody other than this dog. That's my dog. His name is Max. Max says hello. So here's the thing, guys. I actually recorded a different video already. It should already be uploaded, so you can check it out. It's about Steam, and you can get free games on Steam. But there's also a different way to get free games. It's called Epic Games, because they're epic. All you need to do is download the Epic Games launcher, and then just open up the application, which is right here at the bottom for me. I'm gonna open that up, let it load, let it do its thing, and I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get some free games. I recommend you actually check these games like every week. For both, for this as well as the Steam one. Once again, if you haven't watched that video, link in the description down below. But right here you have the wonderful Genshin Impact, just like my background. But anyways, if you scroll down in the store tab, you will see free games. So right now currently there's City of Brass as well as Total War Warhammer. But I don't know when I'm going to upload this video. But anyways, this is really cool. Like, look how many games I have right now, right? Look how many games I have. Let it load up, and it's going to take a little bit. It's going to take a bit. Just so you know, a lot of these games, I have 215. My brother from another mother. Let me just tell you right now. Fam, no. The only ones that I actually myself got is this. That I can remember. All of this was free, fam. Let me get a higher number right here. This might lag really bad, I don't know. Look at this. Look at the free video game content you have. It's ridiculous. It's making my computer lag. Like, there's so much stuff. Like, this is ridiculous. There's some games here that I'm kind of like curious about too. Like, oh, I could try them out, see what it's like. There's some decent titles too. Like, these aren't like trashy games. Like, yeah, some of them are, but not all of them. I'm just lazy to play them. But yeah, there's so many. Like, it keeps going. Actually, no, I did download that one, I believe, Spellbreakers. But there's so many other things here, man. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, if you're not doing this, checking this like every, so on and so forth, at least once a month, check this. I don't know what to tell you. You're just wasting some money. For real. It's free games. If I were to buy all these games, I would go bankrupt. Matter of fact, I'm already bankrupt. I don't even know what would happen. I think my whole generation would be bankrupt, okay? Because this is expensive, fam. All these games, you out your mind. But anyways, that is it for this video. Short and sweet. Hopefully you enjoyed. Very easy way to get a lot of games for free. I wish I knew about this at the beginning. I wish, but I don't. I didn't. I messed up, and now here I am. I do try right now to post free game titles from either Steam or Epic Games or anywhere that I find free games. I try to post it on Discord. I'll leave that also in the description down below if you would like to join my group, TLIU, the light in us. Yeah, it's something else. But anyways, hopefully you enjoyed. And you can hit that like if you like the video, but I'm gonna peace out. So have a good one, everybody. God bless.